1955 Ford Thunderbird. When I bought it almost 30 years ago, it had 41,000 original miles. It now has 52 or 53, I can't remember. It was originally a black car with a black and white interior. And the only thing that's been done to this car is a repaint, re-chrome the bumpers. Car came out of Kirkwood, Missouri. It was a one-owner car. When you bought the car, you bought this optional, and you bought the hardtop optional, which I have the hardtop. The interior was actually black and white. This car has power windows, power seats, automatic, power steering, power brakes. 1955, 56, and 57 had the telescopic steering. Very simple operation. It does have an aftermarket cassette radio, which nobody uses.
Most people even know. Young guys don't even know what that is, probably.
No. It always opens backwards on Thunderbirds, on the 55, 56, 57. It has a hood scoop on it. It's not a ram air, but it actually pulls the air for the carburetor and seals down. Probably doesn't do much, but it's kind of cool anyway. The engine is a 292 cubic inch engine. The only engine that was available for 1955 is solid lifter motor. So periodically you have to stop and adjust the lifters, which is why this is so simple. You pull it off, you adjust your lifters, put it back down, screw the acorns back. You're done. The only modifications of this car at this moment is it has been changed to 12 volt. A dual master cylinder has been added for safety, and a 6-blade fan to help cool the engine. Modern upgrades, which are Coker radial tires, white walls, the optional chrome spoke hubcaps. 53,518 miles. When I bought it almost 30 years ago, it had 41,000, was an original owner car.